I bought this 3-in-1 vacuum sealer from Metro. This vacuum sealer can be used for so many purposes like vacuuming and sealing of meat, fruits, vegetables, cookies, and so on. Some vacuum machine doesn't have cutter. You will need to use scissors to cut the vacuum bag, but this very one came with a cutter. Please do subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Share, like, and comment. Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use vacuum sealer. This very vacuum sealer is 3-in-1, as I said before. You can use it to cut the vacuum bag, and you can also use it to seal as it vacuum. Vacuuming is a perfect way of preserving fruits, meat, vegetables, cookies, and so on in the fridge and freezer. So we are going to start by cutting off the vacuum bag. You want to make sure you go through the instruction manual to enable you to get better results. After cutting, we will put what we want to vacuum inside the bag, like the meat. It is better to fill the bag halfway. There is a special bag for vacuuming. If you use ordinary bag, it will always seal, but it will not vacuum the oil. So we are going to cut the bag. You will make sure you cut the size that will contain what you want to vacuum. And you will want to make sure, if you are using it for bagging meat, you will make sure that the meat is not wet. At times it's better to freeze the meat before vacuuming it if you have the time, or you make sure there is no water drilling out. And if there is water drilling out, you just want to clean the water before bagging it. You want to make sure the bag is not filled up to allow a perfect vacuum. It is important to close the machine properly by using your two hands at the both ends to press it down, and use the button by the both sides to open the machine. Wait for like a minute to let the machine cool down a little bit before removing the bag. To enable you have a perfect result, this video is coming to an end. I would like to say thank you for watching. I can't wait to have you back in my next one. Bye.